My name is Reneé Graham. I am representing ActionCOACH and I am the General Manager. So I have had a business coach for the last 3 years through ActionCOACH, and Shirley Pearson is my coach. She's added absolute abundance of knowledge and guidance and has given myself clarity to work with bigger teams as well as myself individually to be successful no matter what. I do believe that I should have hired an action coach a long time ago, a business coach, in order to have a better understanding of choices and decisions to make that don't come that naturally, especially with not having different business ideas and backgrounds. So today's Growth Club, I would say my biggest take would be focusing on my health and making sure that I have the right energy to feed into my business, and to take a moment now and again just always to regroup and refocus. That's what my take today.